name's Doug Green. My family and I recently had a great experience with Blackbelt AC and Electric. They came out and replaced our whole AC home unit, including to do the ductwork. We can tell a huge difference in the comfort level here at our house, especially this was done during the summer, but over the past years, we kept doing patchwork after patchwork, and we were ready just to get a new system put in place, and we reached out to Gabriel. He came out, gave us an honest opinion about what we needed done. It was very obvious that he was very knowledgeable in his field of work and expert, and really wanted to see our family happy with the service. So I have no complaints about the service that was provided to us. I really appreciate that Gabriel was always available. He was always constantly checking on us, and you can tell that he's very meticulous about what he does. He wants it to be exactly right, and he wants to make sure that his customers are taken care of. So I highly recommend going with Blackbelt AC and Electric. The one thing I appreciate most about them is that they support first responders and veterans, and you can see that they bring that core values with them in the job that they do here at the home. So thank you, Blackbelt AC and Electric. Highly recommend them. Thank you again.